Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?
I mean, I will be sir. Quite long queues.
Yes.
And my answer to me be fino say o card yira. Now koko pefufra. Kwame, I should say no ubetua sika. Card near demand for free first issuance. But say a yira now kop jifo fraudia ubetua sika. Parliament di ho enkita ho a omo afe no be mayen fia yen charge obia obeyira ne card and an card be yira no be base obepe replacement fees and charges for that in enyamai and I feel so say card no ewu after 10 years you was said yes okọ ekoji fufuro sa bre no de okọ na okoji okọ renew card na ubetua fee and also afe na parliament edwene ho amayen ebo a eba 10 years no so a ye beji obi the renewal and replacements both attract fees.
Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?